I had also, we'd also at my household, I'd run out of L-glutamine and things that I take in my protein shakes to help my gut health. And it was really crazy to see that. Okay, just like this one change,
Hmm.
and like how drastic it's been of an effect for my overall body health, my composition. Like for the first time in my life, and I think probably like 10 years, I have a little bit of pudge on my gut.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That brings up an excellent thing. We weren't going to talk about this necessarily in this video, but glutamine is such a potent overall health increaser. I could
Yes.
probably think of a better way to phrase that.
Yeah.
But so, for example, my mother had mono a number of years ago, and then she also has had Lyme's disease for about 20, well, let's see, almost 30 years. My mom's had Lyme's disease. And there's relatively nothing they can do for Lyme's disease once you actually have it in your system. If you catch the tick bite soon enough, they can give you some medications and stop you from developing Lyme's disease. But she didn't realize what was going on when she got bit by this tick 30 years ago. She's carried it this whole time, and she was to a point. My mom's 60 now, I think, right around
Yeah.
60. And she was to a point where she could hardly get out of bed in the morning because her body was in so much pain, joints, muscles, and stuff like that. And so she started going around to some of these naturopathic doctors and wellness clinics and stuff like that. And she ran into a doctor who actually figured he could cure her Lyme's disease issues with a cycle of glutamine and vitamin C IVs. And he was giving her mega
And
doses.
glutathione as well.
Glutathione, yeah. And so she was taking the glutathione and the vitamin C through an IV at these mega doses. And and she did, I think, a series of 8 of these, so 2 per week for a month. And for the first time in 30 years now, she's bouncing up in the morning. She's feeling great. She's got energy all day. The lethargy's gone. So these things are massively helpful, and you're helping your body repair itself. People don't realize like the daily lifestyle in America. Even if you're trying to eat clean, you get so much exposure to toxic chemicals and radiation from cell phones, microwaves, things like that. Like there's so much damaging your body out there that just is relatively disregarded by society as a whole. And over time, this stuff breaks your body down. So if you can help yourself, that's really what this channel was about in the first place, is helping people stay healthy.
Yeah, and like we all love our cheat meals and things of that nature, but like even with the food these days, there's so many MPIs. It's just like manufactured preservatives,
Right.
and they do that to be able to extend the shelf life of these foods and be able to kind of increase their profit range, so they don't have to repurchase so often. And touching on the glutathione, that's actually a really good point because it's such a strong antioxidant. That's why I wasn't seeing a spike in my enzymes in my liver and my kidneys.
Right.